So part B of the practical is setting up fiber optic digital link. So in this practical, what we will do, we will use 650 nanometer fiber optic cable over here, okay. And in this experiment, we will be studying the relation between the input signal and the received signal, okay. And we will receive the signal, the communication will be take place using the fiber optic cable, okay. So equipment required to perform this practical is Scientec 25028 training platform with a power cord supply. Over here we need to supply this power cord, then obviously the optical fiber cable, then the DSO with necessary connecting prop, okay. So the blocks that we will be using in this Scientec 2502 kit, that is obviously the first one is we need to take the digital input over here. So for that there is a inbuilt function generator present in this Scientec 2502 kit. We will give the input from this function generator. It has a inbuilt input of 1 kilohertz square waveform, okay. Then obviously we will supply this input signal to the emitter circuit. What will be this emitter circuit do? It will convert the input signal into the light, okay. And that light get collected from this fiber optic cable, and that is delivered to the detector circuit over here, okay. So detector circuit over here will do the reverse conversion, that is the light gets converted again into the input signal form, okay. So over here we again get the digital signal, but with the addition of some higher frequency component. So using the comparator, what we will do, we will remove some of the noisy components and the higher frequency component, and we will be getting our original input signal, but that original input signal obviously have the lower amplitude, okay. So we will amplify that signal using this AC amplifier circuit. So this AC amplifier circuit will amplify that signal, and over the at the output of this AC amplifier circuit, we will get the input whatever we have given to the emitter circuit. So let's check whether we are getting input and output same or not. So we will check that thing in the DSO. So this is all about digital communication fiber optic link, okay. So we can transfer the digital data using the fiber optic cable. So this is somewhat similar that we have already studied in the fiber optic block diagram.